Hello, I'm Adeshino. I'm the CEO for Provi.net. Provi.net is Africa's pioneer online service marketplace. At Provi.net, we try to bridge the gap between professionals and their prospects. So far, we have high rates of unemployment in Nigeria and across Africa. This is not only an African challenge, but also a global challenge across the world. We have over 100 million people, adults, who actually are willing to work extra, given the report which was recently released by MC Kinsey Institute. This shows that a whole lot of people out there are actually ready to give in more effort, give in more of their skills in reward for, value. Provi.net bridges the gap. So let's say a talker wakes up one morning and decides to take her business to the next stage. So therefore, she actually wants to build an online presence for her business. Talker typically will go out there searching and calling out to friends to say, who can develop a website for me? Provi.net solves that challenge. How does Provi.net solve that challenge? Provi.net connects a Ken, who is a web developer, and also a talker, who is a business owner, on one single platform. So all what talker needs to do is just come on Provi.net, post a job on Provi.net, and seek for a web developer. Same goes to if talker wakes up another day and say, oh, I need to tidy up my books. I need a financial expert to actually help me tidy up my books. All he just needs to do is connect with an woman who also happens to be a financial expert on Provi.net. Some of our competitors actually include the likes of Upwork, who are currently operating on a global scale. We also have the likes of freelancer.com, we have Fiverr, and here in Nigeria we also have the likes of Fineworker and Asuku. However, what makes us different is the fact that we have taken our time to actually understudy how the African market works. We have taken our time to study, and thereby we have introduced a system, an offline system that actually brings together professionals from various walks of life, which helps them to actually collaborate and also build capacity. This helps them to deliver more efficiently on the platform, and thereby helps our clients who uses the platform to enjoy better service. Also, our SEO system helps us to deliver safe and secure payment options. So therefore, for a client coming onto Provi.net to post a job, it's secure that, the professional is not going to get value until he has delivered on the terms and conditions of the job. So therefore, also the professional is also rest assured that the money has already left the client's account and is being held in trust by Provi. Thank you.